What's up, my Triple Lovin' YouTube friends? I'm sitting here at the bar, enjoying some beer, some summer sausage that our good friend Ben had made. Damn good. Very, very good. Cheers to all my YouTube friends.
Even the dog gets some.
Oh, I spilled again. Well, I wanted to show these awesome glasses that my good friend Shane Jackson just sent me. Showed up in the mail the other day, and I actually bought a couple dash plates from him. And he said, I threw something extra in the box for you. Didn't expect this at all. But he makes these mugs, very nice mugs. Makes shot glasses here. And this is what I was actually after, is one of his chrome dash plates for wet basement. I haven't gotten the lettering done on it yet, but here's for the gauges, here's for on the dash. These things are absolutely gorgeous. He has all kinds of different colors in them. IndieDashPlates.com, or you can find him on Facebook. Shane Jackson, he's out of New York. He's got all kinds of stuff. It's really, really nice stuff. But we're figuring it, we got to give these glasses a good try, and so we poured up some shots here. And not only are we going to have our beer, but we're going to have a shot of. Oh yeah. Polak picked this stuff out. So here, a nice shot to my YouTube friends.
Cheers. Cheers.
Oh my God, that's butter. Woo! Yum, 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 yum. You don't want to get stuck in the end of one of them bottles.
That glass does perform well.
That glass performs very well. Yeah, I don't know if the Polaris glass made that taste that much better, but woo, that was good. So, yesterday I went out to Race Coatings. They do all of our powder coating and all of our ceramic coating stuff, and picked up the pipes for Freedom and Wet Basement. And today I was working on the engine for Wet Basement, but here's the Stinger collector. It's regional. Everybody has a different name for them. But here is the collector for Freedom, and this thing looks just frickin' money. God, I love this thing. Just beautiful. This is their ceramic chrome, they call it. And they ceramic coat it, then they run it through a tumbler and they polish it. So this stuff is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
Yeah.
Cheers. Oh, is that good? Well, I think I want to show you guys underneath the hood of Wet Basement. I almost got the engine done today. Ran into a couple snags. You'd think just assembling an engine would go so easy, but then you got a broken off bolt you got to deal with, then you got to deal with this and deal with that. And so it was pretty much a struggle fest all day trying to get this. God, the dog's gonna tip over. Well, I know she can outdrink all of us with no problem. But so yeah, it was a struggle all day. So I set the engine back down the chassis and set the pipes in there. I just wanted to kind of get a good look of what's going on, and I'm like, oh yeah, I can deal with this. So I think we'll walk over to the sled. We'll have Trenton lift up the hood. Neighbor Josh was over this pretty much all afternoon helping Trenton on 3 fingers, working on the wiring. That's looking amazing. It's getting close. As soon as the wiring's done, Yankee the old cord, and that thing's going to be all fired up and running. Well, we're all waiting for that one. That one's going to be pretty frickin' sweet. So, well, let's walk over, Trenton. Let's have you lift up the hood. Let me grab I don't want to get too far from this thing. Let's take a look underneath the hood of Wet Basement, and then we'll conclude this video. I can't thank Shane Jackson enough. If you guys are looking for shot glasses or mugs, get a hold of him. Swing! If you fellers are sitting around on the couch with sweatpants on, I advise putting a blanket or a pillow over your lap right now. Oh my Lord, is this thing freaking gorgeous? Just gorgeous. Oh my God, look at that. Oh my God, that thing is looking gorgeous. But check this thing out. Oh, them pipes turned out beautiful. Got the engine plate, the head plate down there all polished up. I've been working on cleaning everything up. I got the carbs all cleaned up and stuff for it too. But like I said, I just got to a point today, it's like I had to stop. I had another struggle ahead of me, and I was like, you know what, I'm just done for the day. I don't even have the ignition in it yet, so I pretty much got the engine assembled. I just got to get the ignition in, get the carbs in it, decide if I'm going to jet it up or not. I had an extensive amount of porting done to it, so I'm not sure if I should just run the jets that were in it, because it was always jetted way fat. I mean, this thing, for as well as this thing ran, hey, wait a second, look at these guys over here. Dang, guys. Anyway, so It was always jetted super fat. In fact, if you stopped and let it idle for much more than 25 seconds, it would just follow itself out. So I don't know why it ran as well as it did, as jetted fat as it was, and every time you pulled the plugs, I mean, it could be 15 below, pull the plugs, they're black. But the thing liked it. You know, it just ripped, it always ran, so no sense changing anything, making anything different. So, but one more cheers, guys. Are you guys all empty now?
No.
One more.
One more.
Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for the subs. If I tossed mine, it'd still have half a beer left in it. I've been doing a lot of talking. But hopefully tomorrow, I'm gonna pull the motor back out of wet basement, finish it up, stick it back in. I got 5 gallons of 100 octane 100 octane race gas ready to put in it, and hopefully maybe fire it up tomorrow. But I don't know. We'll see. I got to build some trash cans tomorrow too, so got a full day ahead of me already. So thanks for watching, guys.